Before we move on to the next part of today's celebration, we would like to take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to the teachers who have played an essential role in shaping and nurturing our little ones. Their dedication, patience, and passion for teaching have not only helped the children grow academically, but also emotionally and socially.
They have fostered an environment of learning and love, where every child feels valued and encouraged. Let us now welcome them to the stage with applause and the appreciation they truly deserve. Come on, parents, clap your hands and cheer loudly.
Good evening, parents and grandparents, and I can hear some wonderful, enthusiastic young voices, so they must be the siblings. I hope you're enjoying the show. If I were to look at a box office hit, I think we've broken the record of Chava, right? It's completely houseful. So thank you very, very much for your enthusiasm and being present in large numbers. I think your children were wonderful. We've just started the show. They sang beautifully. They were excited. They were so confident. They were reaching out to you. Some of them were falling off the stands and then getting up back again with Shiba ma'am. But as we go ahead, I want to congratulate all our wonderful team of dedicated teachers. As you can see, we have about 300 children performing here today. And since we had your Grandparents' Day, right towards the end, we had a month long of board exams, and your children actually got less time than they would normally. So I think an additional round of applause for your children and for the teachers present here. Thank you very, very much, Shiba ma'am and Rachna ma'am, for leading your teams. Thank you very much to the dance teachers and Rahul sir for leading the art and dance program. I think this is truly a collaborative effort. A big round of applause to the art teachers. I don't think many of them are here today, but I think you make the entire performance come alive with all of this wonderful work. So I think we will start with the appreciation. I think every time we give them a choice, would you like chocolates or would you like flowers? So this time it's the flowers, yeah? All right. I think I'll have to, really, parents, before I go ahead, I was extremely impressed with our compares. I don't know, many of you have older children, but you may have noticed that the height has significantly reduced. That is because the age has significantly reduced. These compares, normally we are from our class 9 and 10. This is the first time we have them from class 5. So a very, very big round of applause for them. As you can see over the years, the confidence is brimming. A 10, 11-year-old is speaking almost like a child from class 10. I think we have another two. Yeah. We will call you up in front, but I'm extremely excited that Shiba ma'am and Rachna ma'am have put this into play when I requested them that please do get the younger lot in front. A big round of applause for him too. Thank you very, very much, children, and we will call you ahead. But I would, at this juncture, need some help with the mic.
Hello parents, good evening. I'm Rachna Aserkar. This is my 6th year in Vidya Valley. I'm the senior KG coordinator. And today's evening is truly mesmerizing and your children are fabulous. We have been saying it on school diary again and again and they are proving it right to you. And just have a lovely, lovely evening.
Good evening parents and dear grandparents. I'm Sonal Patil, class teacher of Senior KG Tulip. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I am Rekha Ilyas. Was it for Sonal or was it for me? For me? Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Rekha Ilyas, class teacher of Senior KG Daffodil. It's been wonderful being part of this crazy Grandparents' Day practice sessions. The children have put in a lot of effort, and they're going to take you on a magical journey tonight. So enjoy. There have been a lot of hilarious moments backstage, and if you pay close attention, you will probably witness a couple of them on stage. So just keep in mind, they are in the age group of 3 to 6 only. So just for them to stand on the stage in front of such a huge audience is, an achievement by itself. So, keep encouraging, and I want you all to clap for them till the very end. So, they'll take you on a magical journey. Please encourage them. Thank you.
Good evening, dear parents. This is Sharon Kaur, class teacher of Senior KG Rose. Have a beautiful evening.
Good evening, parents. I'm Shruti, class teacher for Senior KG Orchid. Thank you so much for your support. This wouldn't have been possible, of course. So enjoy yourselves. Thank you.
Good evening, parents. This is Diksha Lankeshwar. I'm a dance teacher here. And this is my first year with Vidya Valley, and I'm looking forward for the event. Thank you.
Good evening, parents. I'm music teacher Bhagyashri Gosavi.
Good evening, parents. This is Rupali, teacher. I'm teacher of Junior KG Flamingo. Welcome you all and have a great evening.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Maithili Shirke. I'm the class teacher of Junior KG Robin, and I feel that Vidya Valley is like a family to me, and it's been 2 years I'm here. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. This is Vidya Birje. I'm the class teacher of Junior KG Bluebird. I would like to thank you all for being a part of this special day. Thank you.
Good evening, all. This is Kashmira Kogekar, class teacher of Junior KG Sparrow, and this is my 9th year with Vidya Valley as a parent too. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Kashmira.
Good evening here. I'm Manisha Bhujbal, class teacher of Junior KG Kingfisher. So as a parent, I joined annual functions many times, but this is my first year at the backstage. So I had a great experience. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Gitanjali Thorat. I am helping all junior KG classes. Thank you.
We can give a big congratulations round of applause. Ma'am's son has just got married a couple of months ago.
Good evening, parents. My name is Sanju Reddy. I'm the facilitator of Learning Center. Thank you.
Good evening, parents. I am Kalyani Patil. I am an art teacher. Thank you.
Good evening, parents. I'm Mojuri Bose. I'm a learning center facilitator as well. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Florina, and I teach Western music. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Do I need to introduce myself? Thank you. The only thing I'd like to say is thank you for giving us such wonderful children. We are so proud of them, and I'm sure they're all going to make you proud this evening and forever. Thank you and love you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We don't have any flowers for ma'am and Rahul sir. Okay, we'll parcel it back to their homes. Thank you very, very much. And I think now we have appreciation for the volunteers. Okay, I think the volunteers were flexing their muscles, because I think these flowers are so heavy. Thank you very, very much, teachers. Thank you so much for all your hard work, effort. You all are looking wonderful. Thank you. I think now they're going to change into their tennis shoes and track pants. Come. Do come in front, volunteers. And the other children as well, other volunteers.
Send the volunteers, please. Anjali, ma'am.
Parents, this is a large part of skill building that we have at Vidya Valley School, as you're aware. We want children to collaborate, spend their time. Actually, even between their classes, these children come and practice. They've written the script themselves. So very, very big round of applause for all our wonderful volunteers. Can you come in front? Fantastic. I'm hoping that a lot of your children will grow into this role because this is over and above all of their exams. Are you having exams now? So see that. A big round of applause for their parents for believing in their children and not pushing their heads into their books. I will say a few words about that as well. So children, if I can have your names and which class you're in. You can tell the parents.
My name is Amira Kukreja and I'm in class 5D.
Good evening, parents and grandparents. I'm Tiara Tejwani and I'm from class 5A.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Yajash Sharma and I'm from class 5D.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Agastya Sharan. I'm from class 5C, and thank you, everybody, for giving me this opportunity.
And I'm very proud to say that all these 4 children were with me in the kindergarten. So another round of applause for them. Thank you, children. You were fantastic.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Om Deshmukh and I'm from class 6C.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Soham Shah and I'm from class 4A.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Aradhya Kulkarni and I'm from class 6E.
My name is Dhruva Kavadikar, class 6B. Have a wonderful evening.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shrisha Bosle and I'm from class 4B.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Raghav Mane. I'm from class 7C.
Good morning, everyone. I am Tane Oswal and I'm from... Good evening, everyone. I'm Tane Oswal and I'm from class 3C.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Adharv Tripathi, and I'm from class 3C.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. As you can see, the children are from class 3 right up to class 6. Right? And so these are not individually handpicked. This is a voluntary job. So Shiba ma'am and the team go forward and say, would you like to give additional time on a Saturday? And all of these wonderful children have said yes. So thank you very, very much, children. Thank you. Truly proud of you. Thank you, Shiba ma'am, for training them right from the time they were in junior and senior KG. Thank you. I'll just take 2 minutes of your time. Actually, the light is in my eye, but I cannot see that much, but that's fine. Can I have a show of hands? How many parents went to the art exhibition?
Can we have some light in the audience, please?
Yeah, just can you put
some light in the audience?
Put some lights in the audience.
This is too bright. We can't see anybody. Yeah.
Stephen, I can't see anything.
You need to give some light to the audience.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to say this is about 30%. Am I right? Not even 50%. Am I right, Shiba ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Do you think that going to an art exhibition done by the junior and senior KG children is important to show your own children? Yes or no? I'm hoping that the next time we have an event which does not have an assessment in marks at the end, you will be able to make time for that as well. May I have a promise for that, please? You know, I just want to take 2 minutes and I'm going to tell you why this art exhibition took place. We had a big architect called Sonal Sancheti, who's the daughter of Dr. Sancheti. She's a big architect. She just finished making a museum in Bihar for children. She also is a visiting faculty at one of the architecture colleges. And as she was giving her classes, she realized that, you know, many of her students in first year and second year were very afraid of answering questions. In fact, they were really not giving out-of-the-box questions or creative answers. So she said, let me dial back. I am an artist. Let me go back and request the schools of Pune if I can go right down to the base and try and explore if I can up the creativity in children. And the creativity then spills over to many, many dimensions. It is not only in art alone. It's the way they answer questions in class, the way they ask you questions. all of that. And that's how the journey began. We spent 2 whole days, one with junior KG, one with senior KG, giving them open-ended topics to draw on. It went on beautifully. She then framed a lot of the artwork. Some of the artwork was selected and we exhibited it to the outside world. It was a great, great success. Vidya Valley has bought art up to the tune of 20,000 rupees. We will be exhibiting it. But all I'm saying is, parents, you must take these opportunities to partake of different experience. In fact, when I came about 20 minutes late for the program. That was because I was in a session for design thinking for educators. Just the way you are clapping your hands when you see your children in junior KG, senior KG, I want you to be able to clap your hands when your children graduate in 2035. It is 2025 today. Your children will finish class 10 in 2035. We as leaders of the school must know where the world is headed to. We must learn those skills and tell the teachers, children and the parents that this is what we want, so we can have your children excel even when they finish school. So parents, I must request you to adopt and adapt the way the world is moving forward. Thank you very, very much for your time. I wish you a wonderful evening. Thank you, Shiva ma'am.
Thank you, Pshita ma'am.